Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to find the missing digits in addition. In this video we will learn how to find the missing digits in subtraction. Today our topic is finding the missing digits in subtraction. A chart has been shown. In the menu and we can see that there are two digits that are missing. The subtrahend is 127,459 and the difference is 208,817. We use this sign to show the subtraction. First of all, we start from the units. We have to subtract 9 units out of 6 units. Can we subtract it? Yes, think about it. Let me tell you. We cannot take away 9 units out of 6 units. What will we do now? We borrow from the tens. From tens we will take 1 borrow. As 1 10 is equal to 10 units. In 1 10 we have 10 units and there are 6 units we already have in this column. 1 10 and 6 units makes 16 units. Now from 16 units we can easily subtract 9 units. 10 and 6. We have 16 smileys. We have to subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many smileys are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If we subtract 9 units out of 16 units, we get 7 units here. A number that is missing, we have to subtract 5 out of it and the difference is 1. It means here there is a number and we have to subtract 5 from it and we will get 1. From which number we will subtract 5 and we will get 1? Think about it, students. Can you tell me? Let me tell you. Out of 6, if we subtract 5, we get 1. 6 minus 5, we get 1. But we will not write 6 here. Why? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. As we have taken 1 borrow from the tens, so we will add that 1 in 6. 6 plus 1 makes 7. I repeat, we have taken 1 borrow and here we are left with 6. Now if we subtract 5 out of 6, we get 1. But we will not write 6 here. Why? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. As we have taken 1 borrow from the tens, so we will add that 1 in 6. 6 plus 1 makes 7. I repeat, we have taken 1 borrow and here we are left with 6. Now if we subtract 5 out of 6, we get 1. Out of 6 we are subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are left with 1. It means if we subtract 5 out of 6, we get 1. I repeat, if we subtract 5 out of 6, the difference is 1. Now we will move towards the hundreds. We will subtract hundreds. In the hundreds, we have to subtract 4 hundreds out of 2 hundreds. As we cannot take away 4 hundreds out of 2 hundreds, so we borrow from thousands. From 6,000 we will take 1 borrow. Here we are left with 5 thousands. 1000 means 10 hundreds. We have taken 10 hundreds as borrow. And we have 2 hundreds already. It means 10 hundreds plus 200 makes 12 hundreds. Now out of 12 hundreds we will subtract 4. 10 hundreds that we have taken borrow and 2 hundreds we already have in this column. We will subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count the shapes. How many shapes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are left with 8 hundreds. We will write 8 in the hundreds column. Now we will move towards the thousands. We have to subtract 7 thousands out of 5 thousands. But we cannot take away 7 thousands out of 5 thousands. So we take borrow from 10 thousands. From 10,000 we will take one borrow. Here we have 1 10,000s and 5 thousands. 10,000 plus 5,000 makes 15,000. Now out of 15,000 we can easily subtract 7 thousands. Here we have 15 thousands now. We have to subtract 7 thousands out of 15 thousands. 10 and 5. Now we will subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many shapes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are left with 8 thousands. We will write 8 in the thousands column. Now we will move towards 10 thousands. While subtracting 10,000 we can see that we have to subtract 2 from our minuend and we will get 0 in difference. So do you have any idea from which number we will subtract 2 and we will get 0? From which number we will subtract 2 and we will get 0? Let me tell you. Out of 2 if we subtract 2 we get 0. I repeat, if we take away 2 out of 2 we get 0. From which number we will subtract 2 and we will get 0? Out of 2 if we subtract 2 we get 0. But I will not write 2 in this block. Can you tell me why? Think about it. Because we have taken one borrow from 10,000. Yes students, now you will tell me, is 2 the missing digit in this block? Yes? No, 2 is not the missing digit. We will not write 2 in this block as we have taken one borrow from 10,000. We will add that 1 in this number. So 2 plus 1 makes 3. We will write 3 in this block. I repeat, as we have taken one borrow and here we are left with 2. Now we can easily subtract 2 10,000s out of 2 10,000s and we will get 0. Now we have to subtract the 100,000s. We have to subtract 100,000 out of 300,000. Out of 3 we will subtract 1. Here we are left with 1, 2. So 2 is written in this column. Here we have the difference 208,817. The missing digit is 3 and 7. In this video we have discussed how to find the missing digit in subtraction. In the next video we will learn vertical addition. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.